Ka Sorkar Jala Haksisa Jain Kala Kyntu Yaboro Trai Ïing Bakin Kampen Surmen Sim and Takakanti Dakba Island Nongshongwai Bakin still no Kam Hadien Yakabai Kachuki. Haba Kranbat Gilar Tai Kubor Sumbot Myntri Kajala Ba Perston Tensong Long Bakidan Bon Ba Nongshongwai Kibadok Patkan Semjing Eki Ban Penmi Yakabai Hakum Kanikapor Menta Namar Kim Yok Bandit Bala Sumbot Myntri Ulong Bak Sorkar Kaldebru Ban Penmi Yakachim Premna Bakitu Kijakatrekam Junkiru Shemen La kalong kabarit ne bahe kentup ye kitu ki kontraktor balar register ba ki deiban petikna ba ki nongtre juki kinyo yakaba man kateo.
When we talk about the landlord, we do have so many tenants. We do have so many tenants, poor tenants. Now they can't pay their rent because of what? Because some of them like a daily wages earner, they don't have money. Even for food, they don't have money. So we again requested, we issued the advisory note to all the concerned landlord, kindly defer the rent charges, maybe for 1 month or 2 months, so that they can also survive. And please don't throw them out if they fail to clear the monthly rent. So that advisory is also we have already issued, and I'm sure everybody should take the responsibility of taking care of each other. Because if you just leave it to the government, you need to understand one thing: government cannot do alone. We can't do anything. So we keep requesting all concerned. God has blessed you so much. God has blessed us so much. So it is good as a good gesture during the crisis. I don't think you will die if you defer the monthly rent or if you pay regular Russian expenses to those concerned employees that you have.